Hello, class.
Hello, Professor.
Today we're going to talk about innate or nonspecific immunity. Innate immunity includes two lines of defense. The first line of defense against pathogens is the skin and mucous membranes. The outer layer of the skin, known as the epidermis, is a physical barrier to the entrance of microbes. Shedding of epidermal cells removes microbes from the skin surface. If the skin surface is broken by cuts, burns, or punctures, pathogens can penetrate the epidermis and invade the body. The mucous membrane in the nose has mucus-coated hairs that traps microbes, dust, and other inhaled pollutants. The mucous membrane in the upper respiratory tract has cilia that propels inhaled dust and microbes that are trapped in mucus towards the throat. Swallowing mucus sends pathogens to the stomach, where gastric juice destroys them because of its strong acidity. The lacrimal apparatus of the eyes creates and drains tears to dilute microbes and remove them from the surface of the eye. Saliva produced by salivary glands removes microbes off teeth and from the mouth's mucous membrane. Perspiration helps flush microbes from the surface of the skin. Tears, saliva, perspiration, and nasal secretions contain lysozyme, which is an enzyme that breaks down cell walls of some bacteria. Defecation, vomiting, and vaginal secretion in females also removes microbes. Other chemicals also contribute to the microbial resistance of the skin and mucous membranes. Sebaceous glands in the skin secrete sebum, which is an oily protective film over the skin surface. Sebum includes unsaturated fatty acids that inhibit the growth of some bacteria and fungi. The second line of defense is the internal defenses. There are 4 types of antimicrobial substances. Interferons stop viral replication. Complement proteins destroy microbes using phagocytosis, inflammation, and cytolysis. Iron-binding proteins decrease iron to prevent bacterial growth, and antimicrobial proteins kill microbes and attract dendrite and mast cells. Natural killer cells bind to target cells and release granules containing toxins. Perforin and granzymes are 2 toxins that lead to cytolysis and apoptosis. 2 types of phagocytes are neutrophils and macrophages. Phagocytes are cells that perform phagocytosis, which occurs in 5 phases. The first step is chemotaxis, or movement of the phagocytes to the damage. Second is adherence or attachment to the microbe. Third is ingestion, or engulfing the microbe. Fourth is digestion, using lysozymes from the lysosome. Then finally, the microbe is killed. Inflammation occurs in 3 stages. First, blood vessels increase in permeability and vasodilate. Second, phagocytes emigrate through blood vessel walls to destroy the microbe. Finally, tissue repair occurs and the dead phagocytes become a collection of pus. The final aspect of the internal defenses is a fever, which is a high temperature that increases the effects of the immune system.